So in addition to the Ask Nhyira Premium AI, the booking sessions to be able to have personalized experience so we can help our students much better is the groundbreaking thing that we are getting ourselves into, which is the practice question courses. Yes. So now we are introducing the practice question courses. What does that mean? You know that you have to watch the summary videos, understand the principles. But after that, you need to expose yourself to a lot of questions. Yes, it's okay to get the ICAG question kit. Yes, there are some questions in our books. But sometimes, or even download the ICA past questions. You can download the ICA past questions. You've checked the question. You've checked the solution. But you still don't understand why certain figures were put there. So it's more or less like the more questions you are looking at, the less answers you are having, and it is so frustrating. And so what we are now doing is to bring practice question courses. These are solved questions, video questions that you get access to. And we are officially today launching for financial reporting. And by the end of this month, hopefully, we are launching management accounting. Then going into 2026, the other subjects are also going to be launched. And so this is a dedicated course that is coming up that you can get access to help you to go through the syllabus very well. So for financial reporting, corporate reporting students, this is the course. It's a dedicated course where you have access to numerous practice questions explaining, okay, this is the question. This is how this figure was derived. This is how we solve it. These are the principles that we are applying relating to this question. Now, it's a dedicated course, so the price is $599 for people if you want to enroll in the course. But for all our students, if you have already enrolled in corporate reporting or financial reporting, you are going to pay only $249 to be able to access this course. And we've spoken to you about this already last 2 weeks and yesterday during classes. So you're going to pay just $249 to get access to this course. Now, just let me show you a little what we have available here. The good thing is that this course can be accessible both in the Nhyira Premium mobile application, where you can download the video, watch them over and over again, as well as on the website. So what are you studying? And we have categorized the issues into maybe 7 groups or 8. So the first part is the financial reporting or the framework for non-financial assets and obligation. This is looking at all the non-current asset accounting standards. Then we come to the core IFRSs. This is looking at the 3 musketeers, IFRS 9, IFRS 15, and IFRS 16. So those 3 core accounting standards that go together there. Then we come to what we refer to as the synergy of financial reporting. These standards are IAS 12 and IAS 21 because these 2 standards are actually connected to other accounting standards. So IAS 12, IAS 21, detailed, discussed with practice questions. Then framework for compensation of employees. This is exclusive for corporate reporting students. That is IAS 19, IFRS 2, share-based payment. Then we come to the single entity financial statement. So you get access to videos on single entity financial statement, evaluation of financial statement, calculating the ratios, how to write the analysis, how to interpret the ratios available. Specialized transactions exclusively for corporate reporting students, business valuation, financial reconstruction. You are getting access to all of these things. Then question 1, which is going to be in the exam, or consolidated financial statement. Then certainly some other accounting standards. Why is this important? This is important because our live lectures cannot allow us to solve as many questions as we are supposed to solve. And so, yes, you understand the principles after watching the summary videos. Yes, you are able to solve some questions, but how much questions can you get yourself exposed to on the live call? It's not possible. So what do? That is why these practice question courses are coming in. And so if you are writing financial reporting or corporate reporting right now, I need you to really get access to this. And this is a work in progress because so far you can see these are the list of videos, 17 different videos available on this on that first area. That second area, 15 videos. We're going to be adding more as we go. Then the synergy standard area, we have 11 videos there. The compensation, we have about 9 videos there. The single entity financial statement, as at now, we have about 7 videos there. Then consolidated financial statement, we have about 10 lectures there. Then we come to the other accounting standards. And the other more videos are going to be added to this as we proceed with the discussion. So this is what we are now bringing in. So you spend time to study, watch the key summary videos, read the books to understand the principles. Then you have to expose yourself to questions. So what did you study? Okay, maybe you studied IAS 36, impairment of assets. Okay, and you want some questions on impairment of assets. You just come here. So you can see IAS 36, IAS 36, IAS 38, IAS 38. The videos are available. You watch the videos, get the principles, get the concepts there. Or whatever government grants, you get access to them. Or our brothers, the 3 standards, IFRS 15, revenue from contract with customers, and you are looking for questions discussing each of the principles under IFRS 15. Here you have it. Detailed questions walking you through the principles. IFRS 9, financial instrument, detailed questions. IAS 12, income tax. There are videos available here that you can look at, discussing each of the key areas that you have to understand. Certainly our consolidated financial statement. You can see the questions available there, explaining the core principles. That is the practice question courses that we have available. As I said, at the moment, it is financial reporting, corporate reporting. That is what is available now. So you can get access to that from today throughout to be able to prepare to study. If you have already registered for our financial reporting or corporate reporting, certainly that means you're just going to pay 249 Ghana Cedi instead of the 599. And it's because it's part of the bundle that we are going to be offering over the next decade as we take our life and our businesses and everything we do here to the next level. And by the end of this month, we are hoping that management accounting will also be available on the website. And as I said, everything is accessible here, right? So for instance, give me a sec. Let's see. If I should open a video like this, let's see. Boom. That's it. Playing on the website. And the good thing is that we are now on a different server. And so videos are going to be transcoding in record time. In other words, you're going to be able to click the video, boom, you watch. Click the video, boom, you watch. So you can see this.
Right, so welcome
boom,
to our practice question masterclass course. And as we mentioned in the introductory video,
and those are the videos available that you can watch. So if you want to watch on the website because, you want to have big screen on your desktop, on your MacBook, on your iPad, then you do the website. But if you want to watch on your mobile application also, on the mobile device, then you can also watch that as well. So all these are available and being added to what we are doing to help you to go into the exam hall and pass the examination. So number 1, the Nhyira Premium AI agent. Number 2, the booking sessions so that we will be able to have that personalized sessions with you to help you to really go into the exam hall and pass the examination. the practice question courses, which is a game-changing thing. If you love our summary videos, I can guarantee you this practice question courses will transform the way you study so you can go to the exam hall and pass the examination.